Dan the Rockman here, and I just wanted to show you how I have the booth set up. So it's very important. I'm here at a show in Post, Texas. It's a small show, but it produces a pretty good crowd, 500 to 1,000. And this is the booth that I have. So I have over here individual rocks, some polished, some unpolished. I have them set up by bins. I have $1 a piece, $2 a piece for the blue, and $5 a piece for the yellow, anything in there. I have a water bottle to spray. I have my petrified wood here. I have slabs that are cut, $10 each.
Hot mac and cheese.
And then right over here we have, see if we can get in, see? There we go. Okay, so I have geodes that are cut and polished. I have some geodes already cut. I have my baskets full of rocks so they can buy the raw rock right there. And then over here I have my jewelry. I have jewelry set up. Rings, pendants, necklaces, and some free candy. Alright, we have the t-shirts right there. Rock Doctor t-shirts. And the wind just knocked one of them down, so I have to pick it up. Right there, so I have my small geodes. I have my geode slabs right there for sale. I have polished large geodes. And there's the t-shirt that came down. Oh, look at there. Rock Doctor. I'll have to put that up. Maybe hook it right there. I'll have to do that. Okay. Alright, now we go on in, back over this way. Okay, I have books for sale. I have petrified wood. I have malachite. I have crystals. I have some more jewelry on this wall. And I think I'll add another one of those and have more. Okay. So you got the space, you need it. I've got my supplies right there. I have my saw so I can cut. And I have this is a 14-inch saw that I can use for cutting too. So I have all this that I can do right here on the spot. So this is how I have things set up for selling my jewelry and rocks. And go ahead and comment if you like. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So this is just an example of how I have things displayed. You always need to make sure you have prices. That way, you know, sometimes they don't ask. They like to look and see the price. These t-shirts, there's our t-shirts that are for sale. Okay. Let's go back over here. The Rock Doctor t-shirt there. Ooh, almost dropped it. There. Okay. So, this is Dan the Rockman. And I wanted to show you how I have things set up here at the market. And I've got another market next weekend too. So this weekend I've done 3, and I'll let you know how I do on sales too. All right, you guys take care. Remember, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you.